Okay, today we will learn about Ramanujan. Who is Ramanujan? And he was born on December 22nd, 1887. And he was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu. And he died in April 26, 1920 in Kumbakonam. He studied also in Kumbakonam. He is an Indian mathematician. English mathematician is someone else. Godfred Hudol Hardy. English mathematician Godfred Hudol Hardy. Why instead of, though the topic is given Ramanujan, why they have given the name of Hardy? The short form of his name, Hardy. What is the reason his name is given? Can anyone tell me? The topic is on Ramanujan. First we are learning about Godfred Hudol Hardy. Yes.
Ramanujan was one of the greatest mathematician. First, there is a topic about the Hardy because the Ramanujan had sent the letter to Hardy. So first beginning is there only of Hardy. So Hardy is not understanding about the theorems, and he thought that one who cannot write the English properly he can't who is that who is writing such a great theorems, as the Ramanujan was late in the mathematicians period, but he understand all the theorems, and he had also invented new theorems, but the theorems he had invented first are not counted because of the late times. And Ramanujan had called to the England by the Hardy. Mr. Hardy had decided that the one who had written these theorems we can't understand. So this Frodder can be a genius mathematician and a natural, and we can call him to England for understanding these theorems. So Ramanujan is called to the England by them. So that college was actually supporting the and box, and so it was easy very to call Ramanujan to the England.
And that video might have helped you to know better about Ramanujan. And the question what I asked, why starting itself they are talking about Godfred Hudol Hardy, and very well he explained he had played great role in the life of Ramanujan. Who is Godfred Hudol Hardy? He is an English mathematician, and Ramanujan is an Indian mathematician. Because of that, Ramanujan got lot of support from an English mathematician, that is Hardy. That is why starting itself we are learning about Hardy. One morning early in 1913, Hardy found among the letters on his breakfast table a large untidy envelope decorated with Indian stamps. When he opened it, he found a sheet of paper by no means clean, on which in non-English script were line after line of symbols. Hardy glanced at them without enthusiasm. Now here you may see that one day early in the morning in the year 1913, what Hardy did? Who is Hardy? English mathematician. On his breakfast table, he found an envelope. You know what is the meaning of envelope? And we write letters and we keep inside the envelope and we send to others, and others are able to read the letter. So he found on his breakfast table an envelope. It is untidy. What is meaning of untidy? It is very dirty, not clean. That envelope was not clean. And that envelope was decorated with Indian stamps. You know the meaning of Indian stamps. When he opened it, He found sheet of paper. What did he find? He found a sheet of paper. And it was written in a non-English script. It was written in non-English script. That is understood, it was not in English. The letters what he wrote, it was not in English, but it was in symbols. Line after line, he found that letter was in symbols. Hardy glanced at them without enthusiasm. He was not energetic. He was not interested. And he looked at that. Why he looked at that without enthusiasm? What is the reason he looked at that without enthusiasm? Can anyone tell me? Why did he be?
Because it was untied.
It's not.
For understanding the mathematical theorems, the one who had written.
Very good, sit down. Anybody else? He looked at that without enthusiasm because it was not interesting for him and he was not able to understand those symbols. The symbols were written in mathematical theorems. What is the meaning of theorems? A property is supposed to be true if it can prove logically. It is called theorem. In mathematics you learn what is the meaning of theorem. So it was written in mathematical theorem and he was not able to understand. He felt more than anything bored. He was feeling very bored. He glanced at the letter written in halting English. It was not in English. So he looked at that. Signed by an unknown Indian. It was signed by an unknown Indian. It is understood that the person, one who has written, they do not know who has written this letter. Asking him to give an opinion of these mathematical discoveries, Hardy was being asked to find out what is the meaning of those symbols what was sent by Ramanujan. We will read as we are going ahead. We will know who has written the letter. But it is understood that the person, one who had written this Hardy was not knowing which person has written. He does not know. But it is understood that an Indian mathematician has written. Indian mathematician had written. And asking him to give an opinion of these mathematical discoveries. What is their mathematical discoveries? He need to find out the solution. He need to find out the answer. And he found. Who found? Hardy found. Difficult to find. The script appeared to consist of theorems, most of them wild or fantastic looking, one or two already well known, laid out as though they were originals. This script consists of theorems. I already told to you this what the letter what was written, it was written in theorem. And most of them were wild and fantastic. It was looking very fantastic and it was not known by him. One or two already well known. So some symbols he was able to recognize and other symbols he was not able to recognize and he felt it was new. Laid out as though they were original. It was looking original, not duplicate. It was looking, those symbols were looking original. There were no proofs of any kind. You understood? No proofs were there. In order to find the answer, he did not find any proofs. In your mathematics books, you may see examples are given. Something proof is given or clues are given to find the answer. Here, proofs are not given. Hardy was not only bored but also irritated. He was not only feeling bored but also he was irritated. Irritated means when you get angry, what do you do? When you don't like something, what do? You get irritated. It seemed like a curious kind of fraud. Fraud means what? Someone has stolen. Like crime of stealing. It's as if someone has stolen it. He put the manuscript aside and went on with his day's routine. So what did he do? What did he do? He threw the manuscript. That means the letter what he got in his hand. He threw it and went to do his own day's routine. What he is supposed to do every day. What timetable he was following. That he went to do.